This is an empty wall. You don't see anything on it. This is because I've not put anything on it. Now I'm going to put something there. Let us see what is that. This is the mystery package that we received today. And I think it must be something that we will put on that wall. Okay, let's now open the package. Oh, what is that? I have a feeling that this is something that is upside down at the moment.
That can be remedied.
Oh, I like these bubbly things. You can read them.
We can keep the things. It'd be handy in our chicken coop to keep the hens warm. That's the best thing. It's tied out the hen house, by the way.
Yeah.
Oh,
you can burst them yourself as a fun. Oh, it's a kind of something.
I brought a painting, but I haven't told him what it is yet.
Oh, it's a painting.
Yes, I didn't tell you what it was.
You revealed the secret.
It is of Edward Hopper.
Oh, that's Edward Hopper, your favorite artist.
Yes, Edward Hopper's my favourite artist. And it's on stretched canvas, and stretched canvas makes it incredibly light. And it's a print.
Do you know what's the name of this painting?
This is, oh, no, do you know, I don't. I
suppose.
can tell you, I know most of them, as I'm an Edward Hopper fan. It's Rome in New York.
Oh, that's a good coincidence.
Yeah, well, this is actually taken.
We are going there.
Yeah, this was painted from a photograph that Hopper took through a window.
Oh.
Yeah.
So practically Edward Hopper was eavesdropping.
Well, yes, but
to his neighbour's flat.
Hopper liked to paint solitude and indifference. And if you look at this painting, this is obviously they're a married couple of middle class status.
Yeah.
They're at the same table in the same room.
And what is odd, you know, in this painting, what is odd in this painting is that that man has a tie, even though he is in his home, in the sofa.
Well, that was
instead of having a gym jam.
No, I don't think anybody walked home and put their gym jams on or their track suits on in those days.
Really?
No, they were like.
And that woman, it seems that she's very unhappy.
Well, that's what I mean. You're a bit superficial.
She doesn't talk to her.
Edward Hopper is painting solitude.
Oh.
You could be married, you could be living in the same house, in the same room, at the same table, and still be miles apart. In all his paintings, you'll see loneliness. Except Edward Hopper was very, very popular, had a big circle of friends, and was happily married for many years.
It didn't stop him from eavesdropping.
To a woman that was a subject of many of his paintings.
Okay, let us put it on the wall. Okay, these are the hooks that we have bought, and because this is a solid concrete wall, we cannot do anything. So we cannot drill it practically with much success in our own living room. So what we will do, use these hooks. These are the hooks that we bought from the Argus. I'll make a separate video about how they are and what we are using it for. So let me put the hooks on the wall. That's the way it looks. Edward Hopper. And a lovely piece of art in our living room.